Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Anker 3-in-1 Cube. So this thing will charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and also your AirPods. It's really cool, but the neatest thing about it is it folds up into this little cube. Wow, that is super cool. There's where you're going to charge the iPhone. It comes with the built-in charger for the iPhone, so you don't have to get anything extra. And then again, this will hold your phone and charge it at the same time. So it does come with this wall outlet and a USB-C to USB-C plug. So let's plug it in and see how it does. Okay, so when you first plug it in, there is a little light right here. It's going to come on and then go out. If it's flashing, that means you don't have the correct wall charger plugged in for it. So you're simply going to put it down, and then your iPhone, again, make sure it's got a MagSafe case on it, and it'll stick right to it and charge it. And again, just stick it there. And it charges. You can also charge it with it flat. That's also an option too. Okay, so let's do an Apple Watch. This is an Apple Watch Ultra. Let's see how it does with it. Yep, it fits on there just fine and charges the Apple Watch Ultra. Here's just a standard Apple Watch. It fits on there too and charges it. And it's got like a little magnetism that kind of centers it. And there you go. Now if we want to charge our AirPods, it's around back right here. You're going to put it right there and you'll see your little charging light come on. Okay, so while my iPhone or my Apple Watch are charging, that little light is on. It's not really bright though. Okay, so it is going to charge your iPhone at 15 watts. It'll charge your Apple Watch at 5 watts and it'll charge your AirPods at 5 watts. Again, here's the wall charger that comes with it. I like that it folds up. This is really great for travel. Now here's the specs on the wall charger. You can plug it into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. It's got several different outputs. 5 volts at 3 amps for 15 watts, 9 volts at 3 amps for 27 watts, 12 volts at 2.5 amps for 30 watts, 15 volts at 2 volts for 30 watts, or 20 volts at 1.5 amps for 30 watts. Now this charger is only for Apple Watches, right there. Okay, so it's got some weight to it, so it's not going to tip over. Let's go over some different measurements. So with the iPhone on there right now, you know, the maximum is about 6 inches front to back. Now front to back with the USB-C, it's about 5.5 inches. And then left to right, let's put our watch on. So left to right, you're looking at right at 4 inches. Now the nice thing about this is I can position this. So say I want it at that angle, it'll work just fine. That's the maximum right there. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.